Tired of vacuuming? You're not alone. And in 2025, you don't have to be. From AI-powered obstacle dodging to robots that mop, self-empty, and even clean themselves, today's robot vacuums are way more than just Roombas bumping around your furniture. We've tested dozens of models across every budget, floor type, and cleaning need to bring you the 7 best robot vacuums of the year. Whether you've got shedding pets, a toddler with a trail of cereal, or just want spotless floors without lifting a finger, we've got you covered. And hey, product links are down in the description if you want to check out the current prices or grab one of these for your home. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more hands-on reviews and smart picks every single week. All right, let's roll. All right, kicking off our list at number 7 is the TP-Link Topo RV30 Max Plus. And if you're looking to dip your toes into the robot vacuum world without spending a small fortune, this one's a very smart start. The RV30 Max Plus punches above its weight when it comes to features. You're getting LiDAR navigation for accurate mapping and room-by-room cleaning, which is something you usually find in models almost twice the price. And the best part? It's got a self-emptying base station, a total game-changer in convenience. No more bending down to empty the bin every day. This little guy takes care of that for you. Still, for the price, you're getting solid vacuuming, functional mopping, and set-it-and-forget-it dust disposal. You can even control it through Alexa or Google Assistant, or schedule cleanings via the app. It's an ideal pick for someone who wants to automate floor cleaning without spending top dollar. So if your goal is a no-fuss, budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop combo that still feels premium where it matters, the TP-Link Topo RV30 Max Plus is a fantastic place to start. Next up at number 6, we've got a robot that really knows how to multitask, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. And yes, this one's for all of you with a mix of hardwood floors and carpets who are tired of worrying about soggy rugs. It's the first robot mop that features a fully retractable mopping system. We're not talking about a small lift or just dragging a damp pad. This mop literally pulls up and folds onto the top of the robot when it detects carpet. It's like watching a little transformer in action. That means your carpet never gets wet, and the robot gets right back to vacuuming without missing a beat. Now add in iRobot's signature tech. We're talking AI obstacle avoidance, precision navigation, and a self-emptying base station. Oh, and let's not forget the legendary poop-evading guarantee. Yes, that's a real thing. If your pet leaves you a little surprised, the J7 Plus is smart enough to detect it and steer clear. No more smearing disasters across the living room. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus is perfect for mixed surface homes, especially if you want the peace of mind of dry carpets and smart navigation, all in one very clever robot. Now coming in at number 5, we've got what might just be the least needy robot vacuum on the planet, the Dream X30 Ultra. And I mean that in the best way possible. This is the kind of high-end cleaning gadget that basically says, "Don't worry, I've got this," and then actually means it. First off, vacuuming and mopping? Check. Powerful suction? Absolutely. It boasts an insane 8,300 PA of suction, which, in robot vacuum terms, is like giving your living room a wind tunnel. Whether it's pet hair, sand, or just life's daily debris, the X30 Ultra devours it. But here's what makes this bot really shine. It manages itself. When it's done cleaning, it returns to its base, empties its own dustbin, washes its own mop pads, and dries them with hot air. Oh, and it even washes the wash basin. So yeah, it cleans the thing that cleans the thing that cleaned your floors. Wrap your head around that. Honestly, the Dream X30 Ultra is made for folks who want top-tier cleaning but don't want to babysit a robot. It's ideal for larger homes with a mix of carpets and hard flooring, especially if you're trying to cut down on cross-contamination between surfaces. At number 4, we're looking at one of the best bang-for-your-buck robots in the hybrid game, the Ecovacs Debit Osmo N8 Pro Plus. If you're someone who wants a robot that does a lot without costing a fortune, this one might just be calling your name. Well, you're getting a bot that cleans in neat, orderly rows, rather than randomly bouncing around your house like a confused Roomba from 2012. It uses laser navigation to intelligently map your home, and it's surprisingly quiet while doing it. A big win for those of us who don't want a robot sounding like a leaf blower in the middle of dinner. The N8 Pro Plus delivers a solid 2,600 PA of suction, which might not top the charts, but it's more than enough to tackle everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair, especially in homes without super thick carpets. It even detects when it's on carpet and automatically boosts the suction, which is a really handy feature for multi-surface homes. The Deebit Osmo N8 Pro Plus is a fantastic choice for people who want a reliable 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, smart navigation, and self-emptying, all without dropping a grand. It's a solid mid-range powerhouse that still punches well above its weight. At number 3, we've got a seriously clever little machine, the Roborock Crevo Curve. This isn't just another vacuum and mop hybrid. It's a corner-hugging, cord-climbing, mop-washing genius that feels like it was designed by someone who actually lives in a real house. This robot can literally raise itself to clear door thresholds up to 1.6 inches. Most robot vacuums get stuck, confused, or just give up entirely when faced with even a small bump. But the Crevo Curve, it just hops right over like it owns the place. Roborock added an extendable mop arm and a flexible side brush that work together to clean along walls and dig into those dusty corners your old robot keeps ignoring. That combo makes it one of the best edge cleaners we've tested. And if your baseboards and corners always collect grime, you're going to love this. But what really earns this robot a top 3 spot is its incredible self-maintenance system. After a cleaning run, the Crevo Curve returns to its base, where it empties its dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and gets itself ready for the next job, all without you lifting a finger. That means no stinky mop smell, no soggy pads, and no nasty maintenance surprises. Taking the runner-up spot on our list is a robot vacuum that's not just smart, it's downright strategic. Meet the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus, the cleaner that's been called the pet owner's best friend, and it's easy to see why. This isn't just another round vacuum randomly bumping around your house. The Roomba J9 Plus comes loaded with AI-driven obstacle avoidance, powered by a precision camera and machine learning. What does that mean for you? It means this robot doesn't just see socks, cords, pet toys, or, let's be real, the occasional pet accident. It recognizes them and avoids them like a seasoned pro. That includes iRobot's famous poop detection guarantee, which is exactly what it sounds like. If your pet has an accident and the Roomba rolls through it, iRobot pays, seriously. The J9 Plus delivers powerful suction, long battery life, and works in smooth, efficient rows. No wasted motion, no random zigzags. And when it's done, it goes back to its clean base, where it empties its own dustbin, sealing dirt and allergens away in a bag you don't have to touch for weeks. Taking the crown for the best robot vacuum of 2025, this is more than just a floor cleaner. It's an autonomous home cleaning system. Say hello to the Ecovacs Deebit X8 Pro Omni, a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop that's so self-sufficient you might forget you even own it. This base isn't just a charger, it's an entire cleaning and maintenance hub. When the robot's done vacuuming and mopping, it returns to base, where it empties its own dustbin, washes its mopping roller with hot water, dries the mop with hot air, and refills its water tank. It even has a detergent dispenser, so your mopping isn't just wiping, it's sanitizing. The X8 Pro Omni uses LiDAR and advanced mapping to clean in sharp, intelligent lines, no random zigzagging. It stores multiple floor maps, so whether you live in a split-level home or a multi-story space, it adapts with zero learning curve. You can name rooms, set up no-go zones, and schedule cleaning routines, all from the app. And yes, it remembers which areas need extra attention and prioritizes those rooms in future runs. That wraps up our list of the best robot vacuums of 2025, from budget-friendly lifesavers to ultra-premium mop-vac hybrids that practically clean your house for you. You'll find links to all the models we covered down in the description, so check them out for current prices and deals. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews every week, and let us know in the comments, which robot vacuum are you thinking of picking up? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.